Hi, and welcome back. This is part 3 of making a bird sculpture. We call him Doug Byrdman. In this last part 3, we are going to be painting to come up with this loveliness. Join me as I take you along a painting journey. Any questions? Any comments? Leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.